Hey YouTube. So, oh guys, excuse the house. So, we're gonna go vlogging, gonna get some stuff, or actually we're gonna go get some stuff for what? Dinner.
And lunch.
And lunch?
Yeah.
What are we having for lunch?
We're having seafood.
We're having some snow crabs, y'all. Ooh, let me show y'all. We so fast. Don't judge us, y'all. Don't judge us. We gotta marinate. We gotta go to the store because we're missing some
corn on the cob.
What else?
Sausage.
Some sausage. But let me show y'all. Look. Oh yeah, buddy. That's gonna be for lunch.
Guys, do you know what those black things are on there?
We're trying to figure that out. I don't know what it is. Hold on. Let me see if I could get a close up on it.
Do you know what
Those down there, the black things on the crabs.
Like the sea? What are those?
Layla was asking what they were. I don't know what they are, but it smells. Ooh, it smells crabby in here, y'all.
Smell
Ooh.
like obey.
Smell like obey.
Obey.
Hey. Ooh, y'all know what we can do? Ooh, let's do what? Some chicken Alfredo.
Yes. Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. So good. Okay, Lyric is knocked out, y'all. I'm about to wake her butt up. Baby knocked out, sleeping. All right, we gotta go get Liam. Are you kidding me? You posted up. What are you doing?
Dang.
All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the store. See you guys there. Oh man, y'all. All right, you guys. What are we getting?
We get corn, guys.
Dad just woke up.
Yeah. She just woke up.
Come on. We got a buggy just in case they want to act crazy. Stop touching Liam. You're about to go in there first. Oh, what we need, Vaya?
Corn, guys. Look, guys. Corn.
I know her hair look wild, but look, it's done.
We got corn.
This
Let's
one?
go put it in the cart. Think we ain't gonna eat that all, guys?
I don't know. Liam, come here. You got the list. Let us get the list. It's in your fanny pack. That's not the list. The paper.
I got paper.
You need help? No, not a Band-Aid. Oh, Lord.
Okay.
You got what?
Not in my pack. Bunny.
Alright, put it back in there. Oh, Lord. He been shopping in the house, y'all. Okay, we got our list. Some mushrooms. Because y'all know I forgot the mushrooms last time. We can't forget them this time, y'all. We can't. The bellas, or you want the shiitakes?
The bellas.
The bellas. You don't want those?
What? Shiitake. Which one you get?
No.
Which one you get?
Lyric.
Mommy. Get it.
Put those in the buggy. Give it to
Layla.
Liz. No, Lyric. Excuse me. Go to Layla. Go to Layla.
She wants out. Drop.
You give it to Layla? Aww. Okay. Sausage. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put them in there because it's taking a little longer. It's worth the shot. But hey, this works too. Ooh, we're moving a little bit faster now, y'all. Get some noodles. Ooh, very little. You remember Linguine.
This is what we eat, noodles. I'll tell you that we eat Alfredo for dinner.
What we get next?
Chicken and some sausage.
Ooh, all right. We just need
What chicken, guys? I don't know.
I want to get the boneless. Let's get the boneless thighs.
Yeah.
Those taste, I don't know. To me, they're just juicier.
Yeah. So guys, first on the list we have to. So we already
Get some butter.
Let's get butter.
Butter is next. We may run into the sausage first, right?
Yeah.
Because we needed some sausage. Because we're gonna be doing some. We're gonna go ahead and do the snow crabs for like tomorrow. What in the world? Sugar-free, grass-fed. I've never heard of that. Which one you getting?
Where's the sausage? But that you cut up and we eat it like a.
We should try different sausage.
Like
We always get the same one. Try these. These go with
No.
What?
Let's go like with spaghetti or rice.
Then yes or no?
We can. When she comes to the store, she cannot get Oreos.
Why you snitching on me though?
You be wanting to eat cookies before dinner.
Oh.
You wanna be eating Takis all day.
Oh.
Matter of fact, you do. No matter of fact, you do. You eat hot Takis. You eat hot Cheetos. Yeah, but you eat with me. We want to get the I don't know what that's called, but we're gonna get it.
What is it? How do you pronounce that? And Dooley smoked sausage.
Yep, and we're gonna eat that.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna go for the gusto. Well, Vay wants to put hers in there. Okay, put that one back. Okay. So, what was next, Layla? Butter. What are we getting?
Butter right there.
That is not butter. Bacon.
Bacon.
I'm gonna need you to get your
I
life.
want to go in the bathroom.
You gotta go to the bathroom? First bathroom break. Here we go. Everybody's good now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Hey, excuse me. We're supposed to be good here. Excuse me. Tell your brother you're sorry right now. It's a beautiful day, y'all. Come here. What are we getting again? Butter down there.
How did you just forget right by it?
Okay, tell me some of y'all mothers don't, I don't know, some parents out there, I don't know, I do it a lot, I ain't gonna lie. I could be doing something right in the middle, I just forget. That's bad. Wait a minute, do y'all even know what butter y'all getting?
This one.
Which butter? Oh, you get 2 for 4.
Cheesy olive bread.
What else are we getting?
Which one we should get? Oh, let's get this one.
Can you open the door? Oh, she got it, y'all. She got it.
This one. Get 2.
You want 2?
I'm just kidding.
Get 1.
I'm just joking. Yeah. Look, these. We eat these.
That's your favorite one?
Yeah.
She loves that in there?
I'm going to put it right there.
All right, you guys, I think we got everything.
We got everything on the list, guys.
So now we're gonna go ahead and get home and get to cooking. We are starving.
Yeah, guys, here's
Okay, guys, so now we're back home. We're gonna get to cooking because we are starving. Yes.
We are ready to cook.
We're ready. You guys can tell I don't have much counter space, but we're still gonna make it work. Hey. We got the meat and the veggie. So first, we're gonna cut up the meat first.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We already washed our hands, so we're good to go. We're going to sharpen up the knives. Oh yeah. I'm horrible at freestyling, y'all.
Yeah, guys, that sound hurts my ears. It does.
I'm sorry. How am I supposed to sharpen the knives? Go in the room for a second then. I think she just did that to get away for a second. Okay. Hey, she's back. Lord.
Okay, guys, so now it is time to cut the chicken.
Alright, so Layla's I'm gonna show her how to cut, so we're gonna do it together. Simple cuts. It does not have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be even, but
Yeah, guys.
cut the best way that you can. That's all you can do. Put this over to the side and not completely, did not teach her that right, y'all. Am I fired?
You're fired, Mommy.
They're cut up pretty big, so we're gonna have Layla cut them smaller.
Yep. Then we're gonna get a big, juicy one. A big, juicy one. Okay.
Oh, she got her first cut. All right, all right. Make sure your hand, your fingers is not too close to the blade. Let me see. Let me see. All right, keep your hand planted. Okay.
Okay, that's what I'll fix it.
And you make sure your palm has the knife is in the palm of your hands.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Turn the chicken a little bit more if it's easier closer towards you because you're standing on a chair. All right. All right. What? All right, Layla.
I'm a chef.
Over there so y'all can see the chicken.
There.
Oh, it's a big piece, Leila. Oh. Good job. All right, you guys, so give me some. Let's wash them hands now. Thumbs up. Okay, so the chicken is cooked up. We're gonna add some water and some vinegar to it. All right. Now this is soaking, so
I'm gonna do the onion.
as y'all know from the last video, y'all seen how I was cutting my onions. So don't judge us. Okay. So I'm gonna cut a piece off for Leila. Bear with us. Kids are right there fighting over chips until dinner. It'll be alright. Alrighty then.
Can I feel that?
Yes, please do. Alright, so cut these nice and small. Oh. What?
I want you to cut your keys.
Slide. Last thing we're cutting is the mushrooms. They're already cut, but we're just gonna cut them. Just actually no, we don't need to cut them.
We don't want them too big.
They're not big, are they?
A little bit.
I guess we're gonna cut them up.
Guys, luckily I know how to cut mushrooms.
That's a big mushroom, y'all.
Yeah. Can I?
Okay.
That's a big mushroom.
So you know how to do those. I know I got a lot on the board.
We like mushrooms.
She's gone with this one, you guys. Yes. Watch your fingers, Mama. Good job. Good. Leila has cut up the mushrooms.
And we have cut up the onions.
All right, Leila. Give it a go. Hey, just a little bit more. All right, beautiful. Dump it in there fast. Awesome. How does it smell, Leila?
It smells delicious up in here, y'all. Delicious.
All right, we just wanted to give us a little bit of browning, so we can go ahead and take this out and put the chicken. I totally underestimated the size of this, you guys. I thought it was gonna be a lot more in here. So now, what are we gonna add next, Leila?
The chicken. And I'm scared.
Why?
Because the popping.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh yeah, buddy.
Guys.
Okay. So,
Guys, I cannot wait to dig in.
so now we're gonna add some more olive oil.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a smidge. Oh, get it, Leila. Get it, girl. As the chicken. So while Leila's staring at the chicken, I'm gonna be checking on these noodles. Now there's a reason why I have 3 pots here, you guys, because I could do this all in one. At least I think I can. But I'm not gonna do that. For the simple fact, we're gonna use some of that Alfredo for something else too. So I don't wanna add chicken to it. Yeah. Because we having snow crabs tomorrow. We want some Alfredo with that too. Any help?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and stir this on in. Now let's work on the Alfredo. No, I'm not measuring. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and set my oven to 450 as well.
And guys, it only takes 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Paprika. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit over that.
Oh yeah!
We are going to do some
Adobo.
adobo. I always get those mixed up, guys.
I'm gonna do the half and half.
Using some onion powder. Woo. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit.
Woo.
Garlic powder.
Oh. He's starting to stick. I'm burning. Yeah, it is burning. It's not sticking to the bottom. What? Get it, Layla. Get it, girl. She put some garlic in there. Now we're gonna do a little bit of ground white pepper. Oh my gosh, that's too much. I'm sorry. I'm playing. That's okay. It's not even coming out. Oh, there she goes. There she blows. Good job.
Asian seasoning.
We're gonna spice it up just a smidge. Don't be. Have fun with it. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the mushrooms and onions. And don't mind my Alfredo, y'all. It's a little lumpy. Don't be judging me.
Okay, guys. Now you want to pour it in?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Put it in here.
That's done. Layla got it smelling so good in here, y'all. So I'm still waiting on my Alfredo, my lumpy Alfredo sauce. It's gonna look good, don't worry. We just gotta thicken it up a little bit, you know, a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
You alright?
Come here.
I got you.
You let me hurt my
Fuck, the food won't burn. I gotta get him.
It hurts. The monkey do. Yeah,
I tried to catch her. I really did.
I slipped and fell open the oven.
Oh my god. You okay? I love you. I tried to catch her though, I ain't gonna lie.
Monkey see, monkey do it.
Carbon's a bee. I'ma fall, I already know it. Lord.
Okay guys, so now we're going to do the garlic bread. The garlic bread. My mom is cooking the stuff. I'm going to do this. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is put saran wrap on. The saran wrap on.
That's aluminum foil, Layla.
Oh, aluminum foil. Cooking spray. Open the box. Let's have an ASMR moment. So now we're going to pop them into the oven. So guys, we're going to see how my mom is doing right now. I think I did better than her.
This is going great. I think it looks good.
I think I did better than her.
It's good, look. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to the meat and the noodles.
Guys, do you think we can do the taste test real quick to taste it?
Let's taste it.
This is here.
Here. Let's see.
Yeah.
Cheers. What? Yes. Did you just double dip?
No. We're family.
Let's get it into the meat and let's get it into the noodle.
Dang, it's hard.
It is hard. Should have put water on.
That clump of noodles. The sauce.
Oh, wait. Now we're gonna add the sauce. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix this right on in.
Guys, my little siblings love my food. Whenever I cook them breakfast sometimes, they will love it. They love it. They love my English muffins. They love everything I cook. They love it. I'm like, y'all gonna love my Alfredo? They like, yes, yes, let's make it Alfredo.
You're Alfredo, so I had nothing to do with this. You know what? Now, if they don't like it, then it was her.
We both made the meal, okay?
Now we both made the meal.
Joke's on her.
Excuse me. Leila, please be careful.
I about failed. That's the third time I about failed. That's the sixth time I about failed. But the first time I failed, so it's basically 3 times.
Okay, let's get these on some plates and get ready for a taste test.
Yay!
Okay, guys, so the food is
It's
done.
done.
We are so ready. All right, so let me get to make their plates. Are you guys ready?
Yes, please.
Okay. We gotta get lyrics some right here. I'm a tiny bit right now so we can hurry and get.
Guys, we do not eat big portions, so that's why she only gets us like a tiny bit.
It's fine.
Because we could put it. No, I am ready. Liam, stop.
First, she's ready. There you go. Oh, get it, mama. Get it, mama. All right, y'all ready? Y'all can get to start digging into everybody. Oh, here you go. Here you go. That's yours? Oh, okay.
Mine.
How does it taste? Here. You like it? All right. Let's get lyric first. Lyric, you want yours? How you like it? Oh, look at that. Eat, Papa. Eat. Here. Good.
It tastes delicious, guys.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready.
That is good.
You guys. What?
Mommy, it's bacon. Look.
It's what?
Bacon.
It's what?
Bacon.
It's bacon?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Liam, this is a cheese bread. Cheese bread. This is cheese bread. Yeah.
Claire, how do you like it?
Mom, it's cheese bread. Guys, look.
He said it's cheese bread. I probably said before, but
You see that?
oh my goodness, you guys. This is
Delicious.
Claire,
Delicious.
it's not missing nothing. Nothing.
It's the perfect amount of cheese. That's your butter cheese.
Well, I gotta say, I'm really proud of her. She's using her spoon, y'all. Look at her.
She's usually using her hands.
We don't give her a spoon, and she's trying to get right with that spoon.
Look.
Right, Mama?
Bye, Mama.
Pick it up
It's
and
time for
eat.
her to pick it up.
Well, she's trying. Hey, that's right. Pick it up. Or do that. You like? Oh my goodness! All right, lyric.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen this baby do this. Oh gosh. The lyric? I do not know.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna add that in there. Everybody likes it? Oh my goodness.
And she jumped.
You feeling all right? It takes her forever to eat a plate, you guys.
It's almost 3 days to eat one plate.
You like it?
It's gonna be like a minute to eat this.
It's good? Oh my goodness.
Just stay.
This is good.
Just say not. Y'all love mine and mommy's Alfredo?
Leila did most of the cooking, y'all.
She looked at me like, you already know what's up. It's good.
Well, you guys, give us an A1 effort. Thank you for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press post notification. Give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Lyric.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So bye-bye.
She's still getting right, y'all.
Yeah.
Thanks, you guys.